are you all doing today? As for me here, I'm doing well and I thank God. Welcome again to another video, another interesting video as usual. So if you're just new to this channel, my good name is Lucia. I've missed you guys from last week. I haven't given you any video to watch simply because I had I had flu. Is it flu? No, cold. I had a cold and I think now it's over. That's why I haven't uploaded a video since I think it's on Thursday. I'm shooting this video at around 4 p.m. Monday. So I was just here sleeping, eating, no work. I haven't worked today because, as I told you, I was very sick during weekend last week. Cold. It was just cold, a normal cold, but now I'm okay. And I thank God because I'm now back to this platform so that I can talk to you guys. How are you doing? How have you been? We have been all doing well here, okay? So I did these beautiful things here. I did them on Saturday. So this is how they look. These are called Guess Girl. My sister gave them to me and she told me they are very nice. So I fixed them and I think they are nice and they are very light. Very light, and I love them so far. So now today I just wanted to greet you and to welcome you back again, and also to just have a talk with you guys. I want this week to be answering all your questions that you have been asking, and I think this week I'll take this week so that I can be answering all your questions. I know most of you have got so many questions that you want to ask me, and you have no place to ask. So if you want to ask any question, or you have been needing to ask me anything you want about maybe MABATI houses, about anything about me that you see and you want to ask, this is your day, this is your week to ask any questions. From maybe today I'll be taking one or two questions and answer them so that you can feel much okay with that. All right, are you okay with that, guys? So I think I'll be taking some time so that I can be answering all your questions, and some days I'll be going live. I used to go live last year. This year I haven't gone live, so I want to be taking like a few days so that I can go live, or I take one video and answer all your questions. All right, I'll be taking the most important questions. So today I'm going to start with this question right here. Have you seen this question? Hi Lucia, kindly share how you waterproofed your shower, please. Okay, so that's what I'm going to start with today. Most of you have been asking me how we have done that at our not bedroom, at our bathroom. Most of the people don't know what we have done, because most of the people are newcomers in this channel. Thank you so much for coming here and enjoying what I offer you to watch. Okay, thank you so much. So we did our bathroom last year, and some of you were not around when we were doing that, so I have taken this day so that I can answer you what we did to transform that bathroom stroke toilet to become how it is right now. And I'm going to take you inside so that I can explain to you well. Sawa. So we used, first of all, we used the chipboard. Chipboards are hard boards, not the plywoods. There are plywoods which are soft boards, and the chipboards which are very hard. So we used the chipboards, and after that we sticked contact paper. Okay, I'm going to show you that. so that you can know and understand well. In case you want to build your mabati house like this one, all right, you can do that to your bathroom or anything. You can do that even the whole house, but as for us, we have just decided to put it on the bathroom soak toilet. And this is the house if you're just new here. So let's get inside the house so that I can show you what I am telling you. Okay, all right, so my house is clean. I cleaned it after I have slept. It's very clean, as you can see for yourself. Very clean. If even the kitchen is very clean, it's not that dirty. Can you see? Super nice. I have my pawpaw here. My papayas have ripened. Is it ripen? I'm a ripe, huh? So I decided to have, I removed five of them so that we can put them here, and then we eat. So let me show you the bathroom so that let me switch the camera backwards. So to answer your question, well, can you see how it looks right now? This is a contact paper. Could you feel the hardboard? The chipboard. They are called chipboards. These are the boards. Let me show you where there is no that sticker. That's the hardboard. Can you see? Yeah, and what we have covered with to avoid water getting on them, because ikipata maji itafura. Okay, so we decided to put this contact paper. This is just a contact paper. I bought it at Kamkonji. I think it was 400 per roll. 5 meter, yes, 400 per roll, and that's how it looks. Very nice. So we have covered everywhere with this contact paper so that the water will not get inside the chipboard. Can you see how it is? That's how it is. We covered even the ceiling. That's the ceiling. Can you see? And that's the shower. And that's how it looks. So if you want to do that, you first construct your house. After that, you partition with these chipboards, and then after that, you cover with contact papers. These are contact papers. That's the work of them. All right. And let me tell you about this power pocket. This power pocket, they are freshener, bathroom freshener. I bought them at Naivas, and guess what, guys? This thing, yeah, it will stay up to 30 days, having that good fragrance. Yeah, very nice. So today I decided to remove this one. You just remove this nylon, nylon paper, and then you'll get inside something like this way, this one, and the smell of this bathroom is so attractive. Very nice, and it makes the toilet look very not smell, have a very nice very nice fragrance. So this is how it looks. Even this area here we covered with contact paper. That's the work of that contact paper, and that's how it looks. It looks like that. Even this table, we covered it with the contact paper. So guys, I think now I have answered your question that you asked, and I felt like why not be replying to your questions with a video. And I think now you have understood. For those who haven't sorry, for those who were not there when we were constructing this house, I hope now you can understand what we have done here. Okay, what's that? Okay, so if you have any other questions, I'm here to answer to you. Comment on the comment section any question that you want me to reply to you with a video during this week. I'll be answering all your questions, so make sure you ask there on the comment section, and I will be happy to reply to your questions tomorrow, and I'll answer another question tomorrow. So make sure you ask on the comment section, and I will be happy to answer to you with a video. All right, so that's all. Bye bye, see you tomorrow for another video. All right, see you, bye.